Welcome back my YouTube channel Road Warriors. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most powerful and modern main battle tanks currently in service, the 2025 T-90 Bhishma. This isn't just another war machine rolling on tracks, it's the pride of Indian armored forces, and it brings a lethal blend of firepower, mobility, and technology that's ready to dominate the battlefield. The T-90 Bhishma is an upgraded version of the Russian T-90 platform, customized specifically for Indian terrain and warfare requirements. From the outside, the tank looks lean, deadly, and futuristic. It sports a low silhouette turret, which helps reduce its visibility to enemy radar and targeting systems. The tank is covered in modular explosive reactive armor, or ERA blocks, which protect it against anti-tank guided missiles and shape-charge projectiles. Underneath that, there's advanced composite armor, lighter but stronger, giving it better survivability without compromising speed. Let's talk firepower. The T-90 Bhishma carries a powerful 125mm smoothbore gun that can fire a range of ammunition, including APF-SDS rounds, high-explosive anti-tank shells, and even laser-guided missiles. And here's the kicker, those missiles can be fired through the main barrel, allowing long-range precision kills up to 5 kilometers away. The upgraded autoloader system inside the tank speeds up the firing cycle, letting the Bhishma dish out more firepower in less time, all while keeping the crew safe inside. When it comes to mobility, the T-90 Bhishma doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a 1,200 horsepower V92S2F diesel engine that gives it an impressive top speed of 65 km per hour on roads and 45 km per hour cross-country. Its suspension system is built to tackle harsh conditions, from deserts to mountainous terrain, making it highly versatile for the subcontinent's diverse battle zones. Whether it's maneuvering through narrow valleys or open plains, this tank keeps moving, and keeps the enemy guessing. Inside, the T-90 Bhishma has seen major upgrades in electronics and crew systems. It now features a modern digital battle management system, thermal imaging, laser rangefinders, and a stabilized panoramic sight for the commander. This gives the tank excellent target acquisition abilities, even while on the move or during nighttime operations. For the crew, the comfort and safety levels have been improved with better insulation, climate control, and an NBC protection system, which is crucial during chemical or biological warfare. What makes the 2025 version of the T-90 Bhishma truly unique is its balance. It's not the heaviest or the most advanced tank in the world, but it's reliable, battle-proven, and affordable. Compared to heavier tanks like the Arjun Mk-1A or Russia's T-14 Armata, the Bhishma offers a more mobile, combat-ready solution tailored for real-world conflicts. With local upgrades, Indian communication systems, and increased automation, it's becoming a cornerstone of